They accept payments and they have like an API and you plug them in and so on and so forth. Now, the regret continues. Textradamus told you that the leaning in of AI in full force was going to cause regret. And it's happening a little bit faster than I anticipated, but happening it is. We went over how Starbucks regretted its use. We went over how McDonald's regretted its use. We went over on a previous stream how a survey of something like 2,500 executive level people, about a third or a quarter of them, I think it was a third, I think it was something like 30 some odd percent, regret the way that they leaned into AI. Oh, the regret is happening. There is a reversal trend. Will it be a full reversal? No, I don't think so. But will it be at least somewhat? Oh, you can bet your bottom dollar. As Klarna flips from AI first to hiring people again, a new landmark survey reveals most AI projects fail to deliver. Shall we? After years of depicting Klarna as an AI-first company, the fintech CEO reversed himself, telling Bloomberg the company was once again recruiting humans after the AI approach led to lower quality. An IBM survey, that's the one we covered, reveals this is a common occurrence for AI use in businesses, where just 1 in 4 projects delivers the return it promised, and even fewer are scaled up. After months of boasting that AI has let it drop its employee count by over 1,000, Swedish fintech Klarna now says it's gone too far. Color me shocked! And is hiring people again. Hair on my stupid microphone. Hang on, there we go. Founder and CEO Sebastian Smiatkovsky, I'm really sorry, I can't pronounce it, told Bloomberg the company is in the midst of a recruitment drive to ensure customers always have a human to talk to. It's so critical that you're clear to your customer that there will always be a human if you want. While chatbots are cheaper than humans, it seems they're just not as good. As cost, unfortunately, seems to have been a too predominant evaluation factor when organizing this, what you end up having is lower quality. Really, investing in the quality of human support is the way of the future for us. And there we go. That's the study I covered in a previous tech news article last week. An even smaller portion, based on this study, 16%, are scaled across the enterprise. Despite the dismal success rate, companies are going all in on AI, driven largely by the belief that everyone else is doing it. Nearly 2/3 of CEOs, 64%, say the risk of falling behind drives them to invest in some technologies before they have a clear understanding of the value they bring to the organization. Air Canada once employed a chatbot that made up a refund policy. We've covered this too with a customer. It was forced to give back $880 to the client, despite trying to argue it wasn't responsible for the bot's actions. McDonald's tried an AI-driven system for its drive-thrus for 3 years before ending the effort. During those years, the system made mistakes like trying to add bacon to an ice cream order and giving one customer an order of 260 chicken McNuggets. This is stupid. And I have proven it. I have sat here in front of all of you and I have proven it time and time again on these daily tech news streams. We have gone over the studies, literally the academic studies, the articles, the statistics, the actual experiences people have with these things, all the way down to a single level, all the way up to an entire corporate level. We've gone over this. AI is an extremely dangerous, and even if you take danger away, if you just magic button remove danger, it's also extremely wrong a lot more than most people think. And when you start putting it in front of these kinds of jobs, it might seem innocuous at first, but only if you're absolutely brain dead. If your brain has the electrical levels of a flatlining person on his deathbed with the very last few breaths. Maybe he just gave his last breath, and that's the same electrical signal as your brain. Only people like that would think that it's a good idea to replace entire departments or entire swaths of labor workers with these kinds of systems without any checks at all. It's absolutely ridiculous. But the good news is that people are going to realize this. And they're going to realize it the hard way. And like I said, it's only a matter of time before everybody needs to buy a truck so you can back up all your bucket loads of money so that we can all go and clean up the mess.